There's a lady. As you can see, there's different sorts of jobs going on around the aircraft. And there's Roger on the tail, painting. Don't think I could do it on there. A bit too high. He seems happy. Peter somewhere sorting out the engine. He's the main engineer chappy here. There's quite a lot of painting being done. Need like the tops of the wings doing. I'm doing under the wings. 963. Still needs painting, as you can see. But really, I suppose it's not too bad a condition. It's just time. That rudder needs finishing. Trouble is, we haven't got the right equipment, like ladders and the right scaffolding. But we're doing our best. John, you missed a bit. Looks like somebody is painting himself into a corner. So I think I shall either have to get him a parachute or help him down. He's not trying to escape. He's just painting around the pilot. John is still scraping the wing. Wrong job. Because I started there and some of it overlapped and I got up to here, then my film ran out.
It is obviously vulnerable if people have still got access to it.
But I don't see how they can, because we've got a new door.
Well, there's one key.
Static manifold pressure noted. Ignition switches are off. Right shutters auto. Master fuel cocks are on.
Run! There she goes. Oh, you're beauty.